Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox and review the ECEEN 13 watt 2-port USB universal solar phone charger for your iPhone, for your smartphone or your Samsung phone. So I'm going to use it to charge up my iPhone 12 here and my Samsung phone, and we'll see how well it works and if it's really good quality or not. Now I purchased this on Amazon, so you can get them from Amazon or eBay or other electronic stores, and we can just going to open it. It comes in a pack like this. So Amazon sent me a box like this. Inside this box, and then it has this pack inside the box. So there is no box specifically for this package. It just basically comes in a plastic wrap, and here it is. So this one here allows you to charge up to 2 smartphones at the same time. Now it has a 13 watts high efficiency sun power panel, and that will allow you to charge up to 2 devices. Now there is a Velcro right here, and then we're just going to open it up like so. So this is the panel right here that allows you to charge up your phone. It is lightweight, not heavy, so you can see it's quite light holding it. And these are the stitches for the charger, solar charger. So you can have a look at the ECEEN charger itself. Now on the other side there is a pocket. So there is a zip here, we can unzip it, and in here this is what you get. There is a 40 centimeter micro USB charger cable right here, and there is a 2-port inside here. So I'm just going to turn over so you can see what it looks like. So there is 2 ports for charging up to 2 devices at the same time. So there is also a cover just in case rainwater comes in, so when you finish you can cover it up. And then inside this pack there are 4 carabiners for you to strap it into your bag. So these 4 carabiners can be used to strap into your backpack. Now this product is great for camping. So if you go camping in a remote area where you have no access to electricity, then this pack is quite good. Or if you go hiking, you can strap this onto your backpack, and then while hiking and your backpack is facing towards the sun, like so, then while you're walking it will be able to charge up your smartphone or your other devices. Now because this one here is quite a old model USB cables, so you might want to bring along your iPhone cables if you want to charge up your iPhone, or if you are charging up the smartphone, the Samsung smartphone, you want to bring along the USB-C type cable. Now on the specification it says that this charger can charge up to 2 amp, so it has a fast charging technology, so you can charge up your phone with 2 amp or a combined. So if you are using only charging up only one device, it can charge up to a maximum of 3 amp. Otherwise, if you are using 2 ports at the same time, then it can charge up to a maximum of 2 amp per device. And all you have to do is plug it in, and then we can kind of like zip it up, have your phone in this pocket right here like so, and then we can zip it up, have your device, put this on in a full sun. You can put this in full sun, or you can strap it using the carabiner side, and then you can zip it up on your backpack, and then we can place it in a full sun. Okay, now I have strapped this one onto my backpack. So assuming if you're going hiking or camping, you would want to have this one face against the sun. At the moment it's around 5 o'clock, the sun is nearly going down, it's nearly sunset, so it's not very hot at the moment. And whether you get a good fast charging or not will depends on how hot the sun is and whether you have a full sunlight or kind of semi sunlight. If it's a lot of clouds, then it's not going to be very good at charging up your phone. So here you can see if I unplug my iPhone, it will stop charging. I'm not sure if you can see because of the sun, but if I plug it in, you can hear it make that charging. It's showing 84% charging at the moment. It's already on full brightness at the moment, and because it's nearly sunset, so I suppose the power is going to be quite weak. But if you charge during the day where you have lots of sun, it will be much better. It will be faster to charge up your device. So at the moment you can see there is a charge icon right there. If I can focus in my phone, you can see it's showing 84% charging, and it's a good idea while you're out to have your phone turn off while charging. It will help you to speed up. If you don't need to use your phone, have it switch off while charging, even if you can just totally switch off your device. So here I'm just going to see if I can switch it off. So have your device switch off while charging. That will help increase the charging speed, especially when you're out and about and you get very little sun. So you want to have your phone charged up as quick as possible. Now it is best if you charge up one device at a time, even though it can support up to charging two devices at the same time. But as you know, when you are out, sometimes you do not have the best sunlight and you want to charge up one device at a time so that you can charge it up as quick as possible. Now you can see the sun has gone down. That means I have no more sun left to charge up my device. So now also another note is that if you are in a cloudy area, that can actually consume more power on your device if you don't switch it off, because as soon as there are no sun, your device gets switched on and off all the time, and that turns on your screen, and that can cause the phone to use up even more battery than it can charge. So it's best. Now you can see now I have some power coming back on, and now it's switching on my device. So because there are no sun, that means there are no charging, and as soon as there are a little bit of sun, it kind of like activate my phone and it's turning on the phone on by itself, and now starting to charge again. So that is what can happen when you have an area where there is sun and then there is cloud and there is sun. That can kind of like turn your phone on and off, causing the phone to use more battery than it can charge. Okay guys, so we have a really good nice clear day coming up. And so here I'm going to charge it up. So I've got 69% at the moment, and it's been hanging up on a tree. So we'll see if we can charge up quickly to 100%. Okay, there's a small pocket at the back which we can put the phone in while it is charging. So you can have up to maybe 2 devices in this pocket. So we can just leave it there to charge. Okay, so in the last 30 minutes I have managed to charge at 69% up to 85%. So just bear in mind that this phone hasn't been charged for a while, so it may take a while to charge up, but I'm quite impressed that it's actually charged up quite quickly, even though it's not as fast as when you are plugging into a wall charger. But this solar panel is still pretty good. It's charging up the device. It's perfect if you are in a remote area and when you don't have access to electricity, then you can charge up your mobile device. This is an iPhone XS, and you can see it's charging up at the moment, which is really great.